ready to confidently navigate conversations in English. If you're at an A1 level and want to unlock growth through better small talk, this video is for you. Learn essential listening skills and practical phrases you can use right away to make impactful connections and accelerate your journey. Now listen to me and repeat. Focus on the words you don't know. Let's begin. Every day, Daniel gets a little better. Not because he studies for hours, not because he memorizes grammar rules, but because he shows up. 10 minutes might not seem like much, but when you do it every single day, it adds up. After just 1 week, Daniel notices something strange. He starts recognizing phrases while watching movies. He catches parts of conversations at the coffee shop. Words that used to feel like noise suddenly have meaning. Like when someone at work says, "I'm heading out," and Daniel thinks, "Wait, I know that phrase." Or when a character in a show says, "No worries, I got it." And Daniel repeats it softly to himself, smiling. It's small, but it matters. That's the power of showing up for yourself, just 10 minutes at a time. One morning, Daniel hears the phrase, "I overslept." Curious, he rewinds the podcast and plays it again. "I overslept." He mouthed the words slowly, practicing the rhythm. That evening, when his friend calls and asks why he was late, Daniel replies with a quiet laugh, "I overslept." It's the first time he uses a phrase he learned that same day. And it feels real. Not textbook English, not robotic. Real words, in a real moment. And that's what makes it stick. The next day, Daniel tries something new. He hears the phrase, "Take your time." And again, he doesn't fully get it. But instead of skipping it, he plays it back a few times. He imagines a situation. Maybe someone is choosing what to order. Maybe they look a little stressed. He practices the phrase in a gentle voice, "Take your time." Later that day, it actually happens. A customer stares at the menu for a long time, clearly unsure. Daniel steps in and says, "Take your time." The customer looks up, relaxed, and says, "Thanks." That moment stays with him. Not because the phrase was perfect, but because it worked. It helped. From then on, Daniel starts looking at English not as something to memorize, but something to feel, a tool to make someone laugh, comfort them, or just start a conversation. The next phrase he learns is, "That makes sense." He hears it on the podcast when two people are discussing weekend plans. He repeats it, imagining how he'd use it. And guess what? A friend explains a change in their work schedule, and Daniel nods, saying, "That makes sense." The friend doesn't even notice it's something new for Daniel. It sounds natural. That's the beauty of his routine. One phrase a day, one real moment at a time. Some mornings Daniel feels tired. Some days he doesn't feel motivated, but he still presses play. Even when his mind drifts, even when he only catches half the story, he listens, because deep down he knows this is how real progress happens. Slowly, quietly, patiently. Like watering a plant. You don't see the change right away, but something's growing. One day, a customer asks him, "Is it your first language?" Daniel laughs and says, "No, I'm still learning." But inside, he feels proud, because it's working. Not through pressure, not through perfection, but through presence, through showing up. That weekend, he's at the park with some friends. A kid drops his ice cream and the father says, "It happens." Daniel smiles. He knows that phrase. He's heard it before. Without thinking, he says, "It happens too." The dad nods, and for a second, they're just two people sharing a simple human moment. That's what this is all about. Not knowing every word, not speaking perfectly, but being able to connect. And for Daniel, it all started with a podcast, a pair of headphones, and 10 quiet minutes every morning. And here's the final piece. Don't worry about mistakes, seriously. Daniel makes them all the time. He forgets words, mixes things up, says weird sentences, but guess what? Nobody laughs, nobody cares. Because communication isn't about being perfect, it's about being understood. The more you speak, the more confident you become. The more you listen, the more you feel the rhythm of the language. One morning, Daniel mispronounces comfortable while talking to a customer. He says, comfortable. The customer chuckles and says, "You mean comfortable?" Daniel laughs with him. It becomes a shared joke, not an embarrassment. And now, he never forgets how to say it. So, don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait until your grammar is flawless or your vocabulary is huge. Start now, today. Like Daniel. Put on your headphones, press play, and give yourself 5 or 10 minutes of real, relaxed English. You're not just learning words, you're building confidence, one phrase at a time. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. And remember, this isn't about speed, it's about consistency. Like Daniel, you're planting something small each day, a habit, a feeling, a connection. And over time, that grows into something powerful. Not just better English, but a new kind of confidence in yourself. So tomorrow morning, when you wake up, don't scroll, don't rush. Just breathe, grab your headphones, and let English gently fill your mind. You've got this. The journey has already begun, and you're right where you need to be. See you next time. Same time, same place. Keep listening, keep growing.